What is the matter, David?
Have you seen Gordon anywhere, Captain Kindly? The house is a pigsty.
Oh yes, if I remember correctly, every Wednesday and Sunday, Gordon was given the day off by Trex and Jake.
What? That's not fair. Who's going to be doing the work around here if Gordon's gone?
Have you ever considered the fact that Gordon is merely like one of us, just a mere puppet? Also, has it ever been occurring to you that maybe you could be doing some work around here?
No, never came to mind.
Well, they left me a list of chores. You'd better get on them.
Yes, sir. Captain Kindly, I took care of the sink. What else should I do?
I think that is all for now, Gerald. You finished your chores, now you may relax. Oh, and Gerald, please relax with the singing.
Yes, sir.
I think I'm done. George is asleep. I'll have to take care of this quietly.
How can I operate it with weakened hands?
1, 2, 3. Expelliarm clean!
Buster, you helped me. You're the best puppy in the whole world. And who says that dogs aren't man's best friend?
Splendid work, you guys. Take the rest of the day off.